All right, guys, I am back for another Transformation Tuesday where I recreate another indie polish. This week is EDK Sharp Fangs. This is a multichrome magnetic black-green turquoise with iridescent flakies, orange, red, and pink shimmers. This is a gorgeous polish. This is for April's PPU 2021. I am going to go ahead and use my polishes to try and recreate. It's not going to be exact, but something similar. This is going to be Kleancolor's Metallic Green as my base polish. Laurena Magnetic Polish. They don't have any names, but they do have numbers. And here I just wanted to show you the shifts in the magnetic particles to the top of the surface of the bottle. These are some gorgeous, inexpensive polishes that you can find on eBay. And I'll pull a card of where I had that haul, and that is number 3. This is my Old Faithful Born Pretty flaky polish from the Magical series, which is Violet Galaxy. Here I'm putting just the first base, so this video wouldn't be so long. I did end up doing 2 coats of this polish for the base. While it's still wet, I am going in and side swiping the magnetic polish with the Laurena number 3 polish. And I did clean off my brush before I put it back into the bottle. Now, I do go ahead while it's still wet is to use the magnetic bar, which is a Neodymium Magnet, but I did put a clear top on it so the particles actually can come to the surface a little bit better with the clear. And then I added the bar over the polish to give that magnetic effect. It's not very strong or prominent because I did just use the one magnetic polish. If I had have used, in hindsight, I should have used another magnetic polish as well, so you can get a stronger pull to the surface. It's very faint, but you can see it a little bit here. I do apologize, I did not put the footage of where I applied the Born Pretty polish, but I do have shots of it. And like I said, it's not exact, it's close, but it does give that effect of the EDK Sharp Fangs polish. If you like this type of video, please let me know. Go ahead and like, share, and subscribe. And let me know what you think of this video. You guys be blessed, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember to allow the magic to take hold and watch the magic appear. Bye.